Welcome to Trustiics. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of intellectual property protection in India, tailored specifically for international SMEs. This video will highlight key points from our comprehensive IP protection white paper. Let's get started. India's dynamic market offers immense opportunities, but also significant challenges in protecting intellectual property, or IP. Effective IP protection is vital for safeguarding your innovative ideas, products, and services. This video will guide you through the essentials of IP protection in India. Intellectual property is a critical asset for businesses. For international SMEs, it includes inventions, trademarks, designs, and creative works that distinguish your brand. Protecting these assets is key to maintaining a competitive edge, fostering innovation, and securing financial returns. With India's robust economic growth and increasing global trade, effective IP protection is more important than ever. Let's break down the main types of IP in India. Patents. They protect new inventions, granting exclusive rights to the patent holders for 20 years. Trademarks. They distinguish goods and services and are valid for 10 years and renewable indefinitely. Copyrights. They protect original works of authorship lasting for the author's life plus 60 years. Designs. They protect the unique visual appearance of products with protection for 10 years, extendable by 5 years. Trade secrets. They rely on contract law for protection, usually using non-disclosure agreements and internal policies. Developing a comprehensive IP protection strategy is essential. Your strategy should include registration, enforcement mechanisms, clear contracts, and staying informed about changes in IP laws. This will help you maintain a competitive advantage, generate revenue, secure legal protection, and support market expansion. Here are some real-world examples. A multinational pharmaceutical company protected its patented drug in India by registering the patent and taking swift legal action against counterfeiters, resulting in significant market share retention. A tech startup protected its software through copyright registration and NDAs, securing funding and partnerships without fear of idea theft. On the flip side, inadequate IP protection can lead to severe financial losses and brand damage. Counterfeiting, piracy, domain name squatting, trademark infringement, and patent infringement are common risks. Businesses must be vigilant and proactive in monitoring and addressing these threats. Here are key steps to protect your IP. Registration. Ensure your patents, trademarks, designs, and copyrights are registered with the relevant authorities. Geographical indications, or GIs. Protect regional products like Darjeeling tea and basmati rice. Semiconductor integrated circuits layout design. Understand laws to prevent unauthorized copying of circuit designs. Enforcement options include civil litigation, criminal prosecution, customs enforcement, and self-help measures. Regularly monitor the market, implement strong internal controls, and educate your employees about IP compliance. Use non-disclosure agreements. Conduct due diligence. Regularly audit your IP portfolio, strategically license your IP, leverage government initiatives, and utilize technology for IP protection. Navigating IP protection in India can be complex, but Trustiics is here to help. We connect you with experienced IP lawyers in India who can provide tailored advice and solutions. Here are 3 recommended lawyers you can connect with on Trustiics: Mr. Abhishek in Delhi, Mr. Abhishek Majumdar in Delhi, and Mr. Manish Bhojwani in New Delhi. Log into Trustiics.com and get quality international legal support with transparent pricing, efficient service, and expert assistance. To navigate the IP landscape in India successfully, develop a comprehensive strategy, take proactive measures, utilize government resources, and leverage technology. Stay informed, adopt best practices, and seek expert advice to protect your valuable assets and thrive in the Indian market. For more detailed information, click on the link in the video description and read our full white paper on IP protection in India. Protect your innovations and grow your business with confidence. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and visit Trustiics for all your legal needs.